Today, I have just few points to discuss with you. Um, I want you to think about them, then find answer for yourself. It's very easy for you to find your answers. And I also have questions. I also have my answers as well. But uh, these are the questions that I have. Have you ever been there and you think goat farming has been done in Uganda for quite some time, for years? But why is it that we don't have many goats in our country? How come that very few people have hybrids? Have you ever thought about why goat meat is too expensive? Have you ever thought what we can do such that we have many animals in Uganda? Do you know the reason why God made Uganda to be the Pearl of Africa? And if it is a Pearl of Africa, what do you expect to get out of Pearl of Africa? What are the advantages of our country being a Pearl of Africa? Me, I think Pearl of Africa, we have other additional things that other countries don't have. The question is, how are you using the Pearl of Africa to change people's living, to change your life? You might be able to change yourself, but that change shouldn't stop with you. I need your answers. I want you to sit down, think about why goat's meat is now being the most expensive meat. Think about, if we don't have animals, why don't we have animals? Think about why goat's meat is not packed like other meats that you see. Chicken, pork, beef. People pack all that. But why is it that we don't have goat's meat in packed ways? Think about Mandela is of Cafe Javas, is one of the people that really consumes a lot of meat, chicken. But why is it that he doesn't have goat's meat? If Mandela himself is listening, maybe he's watching my video. Why are you not doing goat's meat? Is it haram? Is it what? But in my understanding, that all brings out an answer that there is a missing link. I need your answers. Comment on the page. I don't always check out many messages on my page, but I'll try my best to follow this up. What can we do to increase on the number of animals? What should we do to have more animals in the country? Why is it that the goat's meat is too expensive? Me, I've done what I've done. You also do what you can afford. But my approach is, goat's meat will never go down. One, those who have tried to do it, they are doing local animals, of which a local animal to attain over 20 kgs of carcass, or getting 40 kgs of live weight, it needs years. And goat's meat is consumed every day. By even me, I don't go in a restaurant and I don't ask for goat's meat. But the only way we can increase the number of animals in our country is by you. We have tried as per now. I think the numbers are increasing, the mortalities are decreasing. Because long time, like 1 year or 2 years ago, people even had schedules of when do we expect animals to die. That there is a season of animals dying. And these days, it's no longer existing. Why? Because we do the vaccination, because we do the deworming, because we follow the animals. So you people, these are questions and I need answers. My answer is you and me teaching my immediate neighbor, my friend, my brother, how he can do goat farming successfully. Making diseases a simple thing that is manageable, because most of the diseases that are attacking our animals are vaccinatable diseases, of which if you have vaccinated, even if the disease attacks you, cannot attack you the way it can attack a farm which does not have a vaccination schedule, those that have never vaccinated. So you people, I think goat meat will never go down. First and foremost, if we see the number of animals increasing, we have to look at which breeds are increasing. If they are hybrids increasing, then we shall think about of exporting. I have never heard of any country saying that one time or long time ago, a country had a lot of goat's meat, it got stuck with it, it didn't have people to buy it, it didn't have people to consume it. I would like you in your country, or even in my country, to be the first country to have a lot of goat's meat and we don't have people to buy them, or to buy it, or to eat it. And I think that will never happen. Reason being, animals or goat's meat, it is not like beans or coffee or like these other perishable stuff that when you lose the market, you're gone. The moment you stay with your animals, the animals add on weight or animals reproduce. Otherwise, it even gives you chance to reproduce more. What is my take in this? There is some projects you people should think about which can work for you whether you're there or not. When you build a house, that is a money that comes on the mercy, but you're guaranteed that I have my property. When you have animals, you're sure that they will reproduce or either die. When one dies, we can produce 2 or 3 and it can continue going. So, my dear countrymen, my dear continent mates, I do request you to understand that animal farming is a project that can save all of us. It is a project that we should use as a backup. It is a project that we can handle and minimize mortalities or losses if we follow the precautions: vaccination, deworming, and spraying. Let me just wish you the best. Let me end up there. I was leaving my office, and I thought about what I can give to your mind as a food for the brain. Then the brain sends it to the soul. Listen to it, digest it, think about it. You can change something. Just think about of our country having a family, each family having at least 10 animals. If a family has 10 animals, that family is worth 200,000. Sorry, is worth 2 millions if he's selling animals on 200,000. If they have hybrids, think about of a family having like 4 millions if he's selling animals at 400,000. But I don't want to hear a family having less than 5,000 shillings in a family. Yet, when they plant maize, they throw away the leftovers, which can be feeds for animals. They plant beans and take the leftovers to burn. They do soya beans and take the leftovers to burn. So let this campaign be, let no family live less than 10 goats and they can afford it. Let me just wish you the best. Bye for now.